Okay, guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis, and so I'm going to get right into it. Pairs I will be focusing on for the week. So I don't have favorite pairs. I just scroll through my previous markups and I look for markets that are in my zones that I have previously marked up. So, like I always say, it's always better when you wait for the market to come to you. You don't chase it. Where most of us make some mistake is sometimes, for instance, I was expecting the market to come here. Yeah. So during the process of me waiting for the market to come here, at times you might be tempted to buy all the way up there, right? Which is okay. There's nothing bad in you trying to get the move both to your zone and then from your zone back to. So there's nothing bad in you trying to get both moves to the zone you're expecting, then from your zone to where you are expecting it to go. But we need to be careful. At times, it's just better for you to wait for the market to come to your zone, because at times it won't just come there directly. It will come back against you, do a lot of things before actually going there. In fact, by the time it's going to go there, you might not even expect it. So it's just better for you to be patient for the market. So for my list for the week, I have my hot list for the week. So because DXY touched this supply zone here after this consolidation, there are three phases in the market. If you look closely into the market, you will see them. We have the consolidation, the expansion, and the retracement. So DXY consolidated here, it expanded, and it has retraced. So after the retracement, we have seen it broken another low right here. So we're expecting it to come for this supply zone, then, start to go lower, maybe up to all these zones. But I'm not even going to look too far into the future. I'm just aiming to catch a small move and I'm done. So based on that, I'll be expecting the DXY to be a little bit strong early in the week, then drop. So like I said, some people, because they are expecting it to be strong, they might sell a little bit before buying, no problem. But it's just better for you to be patient. So on my USD CHF, I have a similar thing. I have a recent break of this low that broke the high. So this was a new high, and this low that created the new high has been broken. So we have some kind of a supply zone. I won't really go into details. I have a supply zone here. I'm expecting the market to tap into. Then we sell lower, right? So based on what I have on DXY, I'm expecting the USD CHF to do the same and drop. So be careful. Make sure you wait for your confirmation. This is an higher time frame. I'll go to the lower time frame when it's time to get my confirmation before joining the trade. My student knows that. So I'm expecting a sell on UHF, USD. I'll be expecting a buy. Just like I said, for the DXY to be strong a bit before being weak. So a little bit of sell and EU before buying. You have to be very careful. These demand and supply zones that you always see easily, you are not the only one looking at it. So what the market does at times is it's going to trap you guys. It's going to deceive you to, try and get in, spike you out, then it's not do what you are expecting exactly. So at times you want to give it breathing space. The market can decide to come all the way down here, get all your stop loss before moving. So, and that's one of the most painful things in Forex. So that's why I said you wait for your confirmation on the lower time frame before joining it. So I have this little demand zone. I'm not going to go into GU. That will be for my students alone. But just like the same as well. So I'm going to give you one of EJ or GJ. So let me give you EJ, GJ. So we're expecting a sell as well. So after the break of structure here, we have a supply zone. The market did as if it has touched it here. and move. So a lot of people will be on the sell. They might not have gotten out. It now came all the way back here to actually touch that supply zone, and now it has broken a low and created a supply zone. So I will be expecting to join this sell. If the market can retrace back here, your stop loss just maybe here or here, depends. Like I said, I'll wait for my confirmation on the lower time frame. Then I'm going to sell maybe back to this recent low or beyond. But I know it's still going to drop lower. It's still going to drop lower. So that's what I have for you guys for the week. That's what I have. I have GJ going to a sell. I have EU going to a buy. I have USD check going to a sell because DXY is going to go for a sell as well. Please do not just put your hard-earned money on the analysis I'm giving you because previously my videos have been eaten the way I say, anything is possible in the market. The market can decide to do anything. The DXY can decide to come all the way here and break all these things and keep going higher. No one is going to hold it. It can decide to. So we are only trying to be careful by analyzing and controlling our risk, not just gambling, by doing the analysis, following the fundamentals as well, then using that to try and, secure our money a little bit. We are trying to get money too, but at the same time, we are risking money. So you have to be extremely careful. Do not just watch anybody. It might not be mine. Anybody can do analysis for you on YouTube. Please make sure you do your own, and whatever trade you're actually going to take, please and please make sure you calculate how much you'll be losing and make sure you are okay with losing it. Do not take any trade that will blow your account, or at the end of the day, after the trade went against you, is going to break you down or make you feel Forex is a scam, or it doesn't work for you, or it's not meant for you. All those things like, I don't think this is for me. I don't think that. Calculate your risk before going into any trade, guys. 0.5% per trade, 1% per trade, 2% per trade. Depends on what you can be able to cope with if it goes against you. Something that will be able to make you leave the trade to run. And you won't be, anxious, you won't be scared, you won't be checking the trade here and there, Be comfortable with any trade you're getting into. So that's just what I have for you guys. I don't want this video to be too long. Thanks for sticking to the channel. Thanks for trusting me. Thanks for your messages. And to my students, I want to start doing every weekend. I want to start with my students fresh now. I will be going through the trades we take during the week while we took them. I think that will actually help you guys to, apart from the videos I send you and the one-on-one we have, I think a group class together where we'll go through the trades we took. Then I will go deeper into my next week analysis with you guys deeper as well. So that way, over time, you guys will be more better, analyzing on your own. All these things will be a routine for you. You have to make it a business. So thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.